Good morning, students. My name is Ishir Kumar Dalai, Workshop Superintendent, UJ Raurkela. So we'll discuss the properties of steam, and under this property of steam, we'll see how the steam is formed from minus 10 degree ice to the superheated steam. So this is the phase change diagram. Already I have drawn. So I will elaborate all these points how the steam formed from the minus 10 degree centigrade. And here now you can see this is the pH diagram, temperature versus heat diagram. And x-axis shows the enthalpy, and y-axis that is the temperature. So here the steam is at the ice is at minus 10 degree centigrade. So initially that ice that will absorb the heat, then the ice convert from minus 10 degree to that will be 0 degree ice, and the heat absorbed during that process, that is called as the latent heat from this minus 10 degree to 0 degree centigrade. Then after reaching that 0 degree centigrade, and that is also called as the saturation of solid. So saturation point means the solid will start melting, and here the ice will convert minus 0 degree centigrade of ice to 0 degree centigrade of ice to 0 degree centigrade of the water. So during that phase, the heat absorbed during that phase, that is called as the latent heat of fusion, because the melting of ice starts from this point, and that will start melting from this point and ending at that point. And this region and that region, the temperature remains constant. And at that point, that we are getting the 0 degree centigrade of water. So again, the 0 degree centigrade of water that will starts that will again the heat will be supplied, so that will convert 0 degree water to 100 degree centigrade of water. And here the temperature increases, and during this stage, the heat absorbed, that is called as the sensible heat. And after reaching this boiling point, because we know the boiling point of water is 100 degree centigrade, so here the water starts, the water will absorb the heat, and that water that will start here evaporating, and that is converted into 100 degree centigrade of the steam, from this 100 degree centigrade to 100 degree centigrade of water to 100 degree centigrade of the vapor. And during this process, that is called as the latent heat of evaporation. If we further the supply of heat,